Welcome to chemistry online classes. And next topic we are going to discuss is alkadienes, or simply called as dienes. Hydrocarbons containing two carbon-carbon double bonds. Two carbon-carbon double bonds are called as dienes. That means within the molecule two double bonds are present. We know that ene means alkenes. We are using a di. Di means two. Two double bonds are present in the hydrocarbons. Those we call it as dienes or alkadienes. General formula of alkadiene is CnH2n minus 2. It is similar like a alkynes, but there is a difference between the alkynes and alkadienes. So based on the position of these double bonds, alkadienes are classified into three types. Those are classification of alkadienes or dienes based on the position of the double bond. We are classifying dienes into three types. First one is isolated dienes. So when we call it as an isolated diene is that two double bonds are separated by at least one sp3 carbon. One sp3 carbon, and those dienes we call it as isolated dienes. Let's take example. Here one double one here, second double one here. So two double bonds are present, we call it as dienes. But I said isolated. Isolated means now you see this double bond and this double bond, which is separated by one sp3 carbon. Minimum one should be there, and this we call it as isolated dienes. If I take another example, here also one, two double bonds are there, and these are separated by these two carbon. This is also sp3 and this is also sp3. So our condition is two double bonds are should be separated by at least one sp3 carbon, and those dienes we call it as isolated dienes. So these two are example for isolated dienes. Let's take second one. The second one is conjugated diene. Conjugated dienes. Conjugated dienes, in this case, double bonds are present alternatively. Double bonds present alternatively. If I take an example, butadiene. If you see here, there is a two double bonds which are present in the molecule 1 and 2. These two double bonds are, whether it is separated by sp3 carbon? No, it is separated by single bond. So that means double bonds are present alternatively, and these systems we call it as conjugated dienes. If you take another case, if I go with the cyclic system, double bond, single bond, double bond, and this is also example for conjugated system, because these two double bonds are separated by single bond which are present alternatively. Let's take third classification. Cumulated dienes. Okay. Here double bonds are present on the same carbons. Two double bonds present on same carbon, and these dienes we call it as cumulated dienes. Let's take example. And if you see here, this is the one double bond, this is the second double bond. It is a diene. Now these two double bonds which are connected to same carbon, and this we call it as cumulated dienes, or commonly call it as alene. Okay, I can take another examples also. Here also you see one, two double bonds which are present on the same carbon. This is also an example for cumulated dienes. So based on the position of the double bonds, we are classifying dienes into three types. The first one is isolated, second one is conjugated, third one is cumulated. So the difference between these three is, the first one, the double bonds are separated by at least one sp3 carbon, and the second case, the double bonds are presented alternatively, and third case, two double bonds are attached to the same carbons. And if you look at the stability of these three dienes, conjugated dienes, because of the resonance, conjugated dienes more stable than isolated, and least stable one is cumulated. This is the stability order of dienes. Conjugated is more stable than isolated and cumulated. nomenclature of dienes. So we are taking a derived name from the alkanes. Here, from alkanes, we have to remove any and we have to add a suffix diene, alka dienes, the IUPAC name. So here, whenever we are writing a double bond, we have to mention the prefix, the position of the double bonds, where exactly located. Let's take example. I am taking a one diene. I am giving a numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. You can give any side. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means it is a butadiene. Butadiene. And prefix we have to write where exactly the position of the double bonds. So the double bond here at first carbon, that is 1 comma second is there on the third, it is 1 comma 3 butadiene, or we can write but 1 comma 3 diene. So we can use either names, butadiene or but 1 comma 3 diene. Similarly, I can take another example. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the name of the compound? There is a 2 double bonds are there at 1 and 3. And what is the chain? 5 carbon chain. It is called pentadiene. Okay. Similarly, I can take another example. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So where the double bond locations are there? At second carbon and at fifth carbon, and the chain is heptadiene. Okay. So which type of diene? This one and this one. These 2 double bonds are separated by single bond. It is a conjugated diene. And these 2 double bonds are separated by 1 sp3 carbon. So it is example for isolated dienes. Let's take another example. What is the nomenclature for this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6 carbon where the double bonds are located second and third, and chain is hexadiene or hexa 2 comma 3 dienes. Here it is hepta 2 comma 5 dienes. It is penta 1 comma 3 dienes. We can write. Okay. So this is the IUPAC nomenclature for dienes. So only we have to use prefix as where the double bond positions are present.